Hey, are you ready to create exceptional marketing videos without spending countless hours editing? Imagine having a tool that makes creating videos with AI faster, smarter, and, well, ridiculously easy. Stick around because today, I'll introduce you to the ultimate video marketing tool that can transform your content game. Okay, let me guess. You've been there, hours tinkering with video software, burning through your budget hiring freelancers, or just feeling stuck because you don't know where to start. I get it, it's exhausting. That's why I've put together this guide to help you unlock the magic of AI in digital marketing. And the best part? It's so simple, you won't believe you've been doing it the hard way all along. But there's a catch, you have to know how to use the right tool. That's where VideoGen AI comes in. Let's face it, great video marketing doesn't happen overnight. Whether you're a content creator, small business owner, or marketer, we all want stunning videos that captivate and convert. But who has time to master complex software or endless revisions? Therefore, we need something smarter, something that turns your ideas into polished content effortlessly. Spoiler alert, VideoGen does exactly that. See how easy that was? With VideoGen, you can create videos with AI that look like they were crafted by a professional studio. Think about what this means: no more stress, no more wasted hours, and definitely no more breaking the bank. Now, let me walk you through this amazing AI tool step by step. Now, I'm going to show you how to use VideoGen to whip up an amazing YouTube video for your brand. Let's say, for example, we're making a promo video for a dental clinic in California. Fancy teeth cleaning, anyone? First, I want to create a quick intro about this dental clinic, so I'll head over to their website and copy some text. Then, I'll let ChatGPT work its magic and turn that into a short, snappy script. Pro tip, tell ChatGPT to act like a script writing wizard or expert, whatever floats your boat. I'll ask it to keep just the voiceover text and ditch the rest. Now, back to VideoGen. On the main interface, I'll hit Generate Video. VideoGen makes life easy. You can craft scripts, fully edited videos for TikTok, Reels, animated videos, training videos, and videos for e-commerce websites. For today, I'm focusing on a YouTube video. If you don't have a script ready, no worries. You can type your topic in and click General Script, and voila! VideoGen will brainstorm ideas for you. In my case, I already have a script, so I'll start with a blank script. I'll paste my script in and delete the placeholder text. Next up, picking a voiceover. VideoGen gives you lots of language and accent options. American, British, Aussie, even Indian English. I'm going with a friendly American accent. You can preview voices to find the one that feels just right.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video.
Welcome to the future of video.
Welcome to the future of video.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Let's choose this voice. Now, click Continue. We are making a YouTube video, so let's choose the standard landscape aspect ratio, 16:9. As for scene pacing, we can choose between fast, medium, slow, and very slow. Let's pick fast to keep your audience's eyes on the action. Now, click Generate Video.
Looking for top-quality dental care in San Jose? At California Shine Dental, we combine a warm welcome with a beautiful smile. Our skilled dentists have been serving the Bay Area for years.
Not bad, huh? If something feels off in the script, you can tweak it before moving on. Now, to add some flair, music. I'm going with the happy-go-lucky track. It's got ukulele vibes and a cheerful tone. Perfect for setting a positive mood. Oh, and don't worry about copyright issues. VideoGen's tracks are YouTube safe. Once that's sorted, let's customize captions. You can tweak fonts to fit your vibe. Not a fan of the voice you picked earlier? No problem, just switch it out. Personally, I'm sticking with my original choice. Time for the finishing touches. I'll preview the video and spot check things. This looks a little awkward. It cuts off part of the face. I think the first clip might be more suitable, or we can simply remove the first clip altogether. But I'll keep the first clip, like a classic TV, similar to a traditional TV model, so it will have less impact on the image the audience sees. Let's try zooming in. Try selecting zoom in speed position. Like this, it will adjust the zoom for each clip here. You'll see it adjust the zoom for each film frame we choose, for example, if you wanted to zoom in more. When everything looks good, it's download time. Always go for the best quality, 4K if possible. But if you're running low on storage, been there, you can pick something smaller like 720p or Full HD. For now, we're going full-on 4K glory. And that's it, you've got yourself a polished, professional video. Easy, right?
Looking for top-quality dental care in San Jose? At California Shine Dental, we combine a warm welcome with a beautiful smile. Our skilled dentists have been serving the Bay Area for years, offering expertise in everything from Invisalign to dental implants, crowns, and veneers. From kids' dental care to advanced cosmetic treatments, we've got your whole family covered. At California Shine Dental, we don't just fix smiles, we create them. Book your appointment today and let your smile shine. Anji! Visit CaliforniaShineDental.com.
Now go wow your audience. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment about your biggest video struggles, and subscribe to AI Digiliate for more video marketing tools and hacks. Also, check out my affiliate link in the description. It supports this channel at no extra cost to you and helps me create more game-changing content like this. So there you have it. VideoGen AI is your shortcut to creating exceptional marketing videos without the hassle. If you've been struggling to find the perfect video marketing tool, this is it. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to try VideoGen today. Trust me, your future self and your audience will thank you. You've got this. Happy creating!